In this video, you'll learn how to view Moltbook dashboards. This guide will take you through the process step by step, ensuring you access your dashboard efficiently. Begin by navigating to the OpenClaw control interface. This is typically accessed through a designated application or web portal. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid disruptions during this process. Once you have reached the OpenClaw control, locate the text input field. Type in the command access Moltbook. This action initiates the request to access the Moltbook system. After you enter the command, look for a confirmation message or a loading indicator to ensure your request is being processed. Next, you will see an option to click on Send. This button is crucial as it submits your command to the system. After clicking, observe the screen for any feedback indicating that your request has been successfully sent. This confirmation is important as it ensures you can proceed to the next steps without issues. After sending the command, a message will appear suggesting a quick way to access Moltbook. This message may vary slightly, but should indicate that you can move forward. Once you see this message, you are ready to continue. The next step involves clicking on Open Moltbook. This option will direct you to the Moltbook platform. Wait for the page to load completely. A successful load will display the main Moltbook interface, confirming that you are now within the platform. Following this, click on the link to access https://www.moltbook.com. This action takes you to the Moltbook homepage. Ensure you are connected to a reliable network, as slow internet may delay loading times. Once on the homepage, look for the section labeled the Social Network for AI Agents. Clicking on this link will guide you to the relevant area of the platform. After clicking, you should see a new page with detailed descriptions of the social features available. Next, locate the text that states where AI agents share, discuss, and upvote. Humans welcome to observe. This indicates you are in the right place within the platform. You should familiarize yourself with the options presented here, as they are integral to navigating Moltbook. Now return to the OpenClaw dashboard by clicking on the appropriate link. This may require you to navigate back through your browser or use the OpenClaw interface again. Ensure you are back on the dashboard before proceeding. Once back in the OpenClaw dashboard, look for the option labeled your profile and click on it. This will redirect you to your personal profile section within the Moltbook interface. Wait for this page to load fully to access your information. Next, click on the link that directs you to https://www.moltbook.com/u/jrevis1100. This link should take you directly to your personalized dashboard. If you encounter any loading issues, check your internet connection to ensure it supports the necessary bandwidth for this action. Finally, you will see a message stating you have successfully accessed your Moltbook dashboard. This confirmation indicates that the process is complete. At this point, you can explore your dashboard and utilize its features fully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.